recording is on. Let's get it. Hey guys, what's up? It is finally time to address a question that I got from so many people inside of the community, which is, Miguel, I know you are heavily invested into crypto. Miguel, I know you love Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and so on, but what are the shit coins that you're buying? What are the gaming coins? What are the trend coins that you're currently buying? So in this upcoming video, we will go through what kind of shit coins I am buying, and at the end of the day, what kind of coins we are getting into, right? And for that, I have a secret list with some of the coins that I'm buying and I bought. I'm currently starting to build up this portfolio. That's why I finally can do a video about that. So far, I've only been in the majors, and I am just a normal dude that made a good amount of money in crypto, that has good portfolios, that trades himself, that made himself a living through online business cash flow and then redirecting it into the markets, into the different crypto bull runs that we had in the past. Heavily started in 2020, basically when COVID low hit with 3,800 something Bitcoin. And now we are looking into, getting into the trend coins right now. And the trend definitely is currently gaming, AI, and real world assets, right? So gaming, AI, real world assets, these are the trajectory trends for the future. Today is the halving day. So I will go into what kind of coins I'm buying. I'm going to give you the first page of my list of 3 pages of coins. All the other ones you get for free in my value channel. Link is below. It's a complete for free value channel where I even send you my trade ideas. I send my investment ideas. When I find investments that I put money into myself, I'm going to share it with you. And 3 times a week, you're going to get a free value email that keeps you accountable with updates, information. So don't hesitate to join. It's going to cost you zero besides putting in your email address and getting emails, and obviously getting into the channel where you have all of my investments and all the shit coins that I'm at the end of the day buying, right? All the trend coins. Shit coins sound so bad, but it is just like a trend, and that's why I get into it, right? At the end of the day, what is very important is positioning yourself in front of big trends, and that is gonna be the trend, right? And every bull run, every altcoin run, we always have different trends. We have different narratives, and this is the current narrative. So that's why we invest into it. Do I like shit coins? No, not really. Am I interested very much in the projects behind? No, not really. Do I see them becoming the future top 10 assets? Not really, right? That's not what I'm looking for. What I'm looking for is a clean 10 to 20x and building up this portfolio. Okay, so first of all, before we go deeper into me showing you all the coins and how to actually get them, right? So I'm going to show you where I buy them, how to get them, and how to do all of this. We're going to go into something very important right now, and that is a disclaimer, right? Very, very important. This is not an investment idea. This is not any financial advice, right? This is just me doing what I'm doing and sharing it with you for educational purposes. What you do with your money, if you go into it, if you don't, if you follow it, if you don't, then at the end of the day, look, it's going to be on your side. You will have to be accountable for that. Also, make sure that when we are dealing with these smaller coins, it's easier to get scammed because it's more difficult to get them than just logging into Coinbase, Binance, or whatsoever and to get these coins. But I'm going to give you the whole how I do it and what I do right here in the screen. So let's jump over to my current list, and what you're going to need for that is you're going to need the first page of the list, as you can see over here. Again, it's three pages. This is the first one, and you will need to have MetaMask, right? So this, for example, is one of my MetaMasks, and you will have to have MetaMask ready. I put USDC on ERC, right, which is the Ethereum network. So we are on the Ethereum network with currently loaded 2,000 USDC. And what you need else is that you will need to have Uniswap, right? So when you go on Uniswap, you get on this website, you're just gonna click on swap, right? And then you can use USDC over here. And I am currently putting $200 in each one of them, right? Every Friday I'm increasing my holdings, because mainly Friday is when I get my cash flow from my online businesses, and then some of portion of that is redirected into building these shitcoin portfolios, right? So this is the very first page that you see. I already got all of these coins besides the one that are marked with a star. These ones are the ones you are not getting on Uniswap. So for that, we will need a different exchange, right? But I'll start with all the ones that we can use on Uniswap, such as, for example, Super USDT, okay? So how is it gonna go is that at the end of the day, obviously for the whole list, you will have to join the value channel, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna show you how it works. So you have the USDC on your MetaMask, you're gonna put in 200, not 2000, and then you're gonna select the token, and obviously we have Super, for example, here, Super USDC, so we have Super Farm, as you can see, Super. What I always do, which helps a lot, is that I go on to, at the end of the day, Coin Market Cap, right? Coin Market Cap, and I love to just go into here, and then before I buy the coin, actually go into finding it, right? So we have Superverse, we have Superverse, perfect. So just like making sure that the coins are similar. So this is Super Farm, right? But now we have Superverse. So let's check. So this one is currently sitting at 103. Okay, it is traded as Super and USDT, wrapped Ethereum Super. So it's the same coin, because that's what I mean. It's a little bit confusing sometimes because it's Super, here it's Superverse, and at the end of the day, we'll check again just to make sure. Because again, these coins are many times replicated, duplicated, right? So it's a little bit difficult to find them. Look, so this is Superverse, makes sense. We have Super Farm over here. Now the ultimate way to see if it makes sense, first of all, is if the price is the same, right? So the price is currently sitting at $1.03. Price is currently sitting at $1.03, right? Very similar to the list right now when I made and got the list at the end of the day. And another thing you can do is always, and that's really nice, is that now I cannot do it anymore, because the very first time you connect your USDC to the coin, what is going to happen at the end of the day is that it's going to show you the wallet. And I'm going to just make sure you understand that by, for example, using a coin that I haven't got so far, which is going to be, for example, Doge. Okay, and Doge is not on Uniswap, right? We cannot get it. So now, for example, it's going to say Doge coin like this one, okay? And you get this message, and that's what is very important, because this message, you're just going to open the link, and it's going to open the original token address. And as you can see, Dogecoin has currently 2,500 holders, and that's basically BS, and we know that, right? It's way more. So we know this is not the right coin that we are looking for, right? Most coins are in between the tens and 20s, 30s, 40s, 50,000s of users, okay? So that's how you prevent to buy the wrong coin. I actually bought the wrong coin, and then I re-swapped it back, which was basically here the grape coin, right? Where I basically bought the wrong one, okay? And then I re-swapped it. I bought this one, and then I re-swapped it to the right one. So always make sure to check the addresses, right? So what we're gonna do right here is I'm gonna switch over to my second list. So now you got 2 out of 3. And we're gonna do it together right now, because I am currently continuing this list, right? My research and the people that I talked to and the list that I got from and the coins that I added, there's more that I'm gonna add. I'm just buying them myself right now and started last week. So I'm doing this video so you see how it works, and we're gonna do it in real life together. So the last one I got was here, the Condox wrapped Ethereum. So here I have to continue. So we're gonna check together if I find this coin. First of all, what we're gonna do as always is we're gonna put it here on Uniswap. And as you can see now, we have KNDX, right? We have 2 ones, 2 of these. So we have to check, okay, so this one already used, right? So this is correct. And let's try the other one just to see if I can show you what I mean. So now we're going to open it, and then it says 1,000 holders, right? Which is BS. It's too little, okay? So I click on cancel, and I know, for example, this is going to be the wrong one, okay? Now, since I already invested into it, we're going to move over. I thought that's the one, and we're going to move over to IOS USDT spot, okay? IOS. Okay, so it says IOS network, okay? So we're going to click on it. And we're gonna see, so probably already checked this one out because it doesn't pop up the message. Now what we're also gonna check is that we're gonna go into, again, into CoinMarketCap and put in IOS network, currently sitting at 0.64. Then we will check just to make sure, yes, you can get it on Uniswap. That is a very good message. And then what we're going to do is put in $200. We'll get 310 IOs, okay? Just for example. Now, I want to find a coin that is new that I didn't got so far. So for example, this one. I'm very sure that I haven't gotten this one. So you can see the whole process of really seeing if we can get it. OXO, okay? This is the coin. So now we have OXO token. As you can see, we have many pop-ups, okay? So to me, the one that looks the best is, this is now difficult, right? Because now we have the problem that we don't know which one is the right network and we don't want to buy the wrong coin. So what we're going to do is get into CoinMarketCap again. And we're going to see, okay, so we have one over here, which is not the right one. So always like go next to these, like be around these prices, right? So this is 0.2, this one is 0.27, perfect, right? So the price matches. Look, the list is not very old. In the future, maybe it's going to be a little more difficult, but the price is very similar to 7. So then what we can always do is we can go on to the contract address, right? So we can click here. It's going to open the contract address and we have 28,000 holders, okay? So what we're going to find now on Uniswap is I want the same 28,000. So I'm going to click here and see, perfect, it's the right one, 28,144. It's the same address. So I'm assured this is the right coin. And we click yes, and we put $200 and we click on connect wallet, and we click on connect MetaMask, and then we click on buying it, confirm swap. Okay, and now we're just gonna wait. I have to obviously sign it. Currently $14 of gas. It's okay. Swap is submitted. It's gonna take a little bit, and there we go. So now we have invested $200, got 685 of the OXO coin, correct? So that's how it looks. Now, next coin that we're gonna do one more together. It's just gonna be Ator, okay? So again, we go in here, Airtor. So Airtor protocol. So we're gonna check out. So this one looks legit, but again, we don't want to mess it up. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go back into CoinMarketCap and we're gonna put in Ator protocol. Okay, so 275 price is very similar. 241 went up a little bit. Yeah, as you can see, last day 9%. We're gonna click on contract address. It has 21,000 holders. We're gonna check this one, open it up, and see this one has 21,921. Yep, it's the same one. As you can see, same holder, same address, same everything. So we confirm that this one is the right one. We're gonna go and understand. We're gonna put in 200 USDC and we're gonna get a swap. We're gonna do it as long as until you see see if we find a coin where we see that it's a scam, just so you see, not a scam, but basically a wrong coin. So you see how to prepare and how to not fall for this, right? Render, we already have. Portal, let's check portal. Perfect, already done. So we have portal. Okay, portal, open it. So this one has 14,000, looks good, looks clean. Still, we're gonna check it out. Portal has 0.9, Ethereum address 1475 confirmed, right? So again, we can go ahead and we can click on getting the coin, understand, 200 USDC, swap and wait. Okay, we continue. Let's check with Beam if we find Beam. So far it looks good, but again, always make sure that it's the right address. Make sure it is the right coin and right network that you are buying into. Again, because you don't want to make mistakes. Now, some of the coins you will not find as the ones that I've shown you here on the list, the ones that you see the stars with. These ones you will have to check on CoinMarketCap, right? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go on CoinMarketCap. We're, for example, gonna check here the dog with head, okay? And we see we can get this one on Binance, on Gate.io, on KuCoin, on Kraken. If we do DEXs, we can get them on Radium. We can do probably even MaxC, yeah, MaxC. So if you don't find these coins on Uniswap, then I would definitely most likely go for MaxC. Definitely a platform that you will need for the future, because on MaxC you have a lot of these very, very small, coins, right? And that's basically it, guys. That's how I do it. That's what I'm doing. Building this portfolio up, buying, putting some money in that I can gamble with. Very important, one more time. Obviously, crypto markets are very, very risky, especially these very small coins. These can go to zero. These can go make 5%, stay the same, or do 100x. Again, the narrative is very focused on shit coins. Just in general, on gaming, AI, and real world assets. About real world assets, we're gonna focus more in the future. I'm gonna do even more research and find very good coins that I'm gonna invest into. So I'm just, again, a normal dude that makes good amounts of money in this space and is just sharing what he's doing. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact me below, ask any questions. I'm gonna be there. I love responding to comments. I think there's not one comment in the whole time I do YouTube that I haven't come up to. So let me know and leave a follow, send it to someone that needs to see that, and join the free value channel on Telegram, where you will not only have the value of getting the rest of the list and my future updates and all the other lists. So let's get it.